Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be well and welcome again in Ablan Public School at home. Dear students, I am Kausal sir, of your math teacher for class 8th. Dear students, in the last video we explained about the polyhedron, regular polyhedron, and convex and concave, convex and non-convex polyhedron, etc. And I have given to your homework, that is practice question number 3 also. After the practice question number 3, we will discuss the new topic, means concept time 4, in special polyhedrons. In special polyhedrons, we will discuss about the prism, pyramid, and etc. So dear students, we follow some good manners that are such a way that help your teachers and elders always be ready to do the homework they ask you to do. And second is good manners, that is turn off the TV or music volume when someone is talking a phone cell in the room. Okay students, thank you. So dear students, concept number 4. Now we will look at two special type of the polyhedron, that is prism and pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron which has two congruent and a parallel base, and its lateral surface are parallelogram. For figure number 24, shown an example of pyramid and its net is this. So we see here that it is a pyramid. So we see here that this blue colored shape and this blue colored shape, they are triangular base, and these are two. So here there are two triangular base which are in parallel to each other, and net figure will be the three lateral faces are parallel, means 1 2 3. So two are triangular and three are parallels. Three all lateral faces are in shape of the rectangle. A prism is a name after the shape of its base. Since the base of the prism in figure 24, means both figure are triangles, it is called the triangular prism, because it base are triangular type. So figure number 25 shown different type of prism. We see here that this blue part and this blue part, that the shape of the square, so it is a square prism. And in this figure rectangular prism, this type of the prism is called, because here is 5 faces, so pentagonal prism. And here in finally it has 6 uh, six faces, so it is called hexagonal prism. Okay students, now pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron with one base and a triangular lateral surface that meet at a common vertex, means there are one base which is in planes, is white plane, and there are this type, and there are four triangular bases which meet at a common vertex here. So Shown as example of pyramid and its net is this. So we see here that is base, that is single, that is square base, and the four lateral surfaces are the triangular, which meet at a common vertex here. Okay, so like the prism, a pyramid is also named after the shape of its base. Since the base of pyramid in the figure 26 is square, it is called square pyramid and shown in different kind of pyramid. If base is square, so we can say square pyramid. If base is triangular, we can triangular pyramid. If its base is rectangle, we can rectangular pyramid. If its base is pentagonal, so we can say that pentagonal pyramid and hexagonal pyramid, etc. So dear students, this is practice question number 4. The table is given here. Please solve yourself. I solve two question only, means two parts. If the number of faces is 4, pyramid, it is prism. Non-prism have more than three phase, or we can say that prism have number of faces multiple of 3, means 3 or 6, such as this figure we see here that faces are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It have one face, two face, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and okay. So dear students, it is not prism. If the face is 4, it may be pyramid, because in triangular pyramid here is only one base, that is triangular, and 3 and base faces will be more than, which are in blue color. So we can say in this figure, in triangular pyramid there are total faces are 4. So if the number of faces is 4, we can say here triangular pyramid. Okay students, so, and if number of faces is 5, so it may be square, means pyramid may be square or rectangular pyramid. So dear students, please write here something, write here something which are suitable, at here something. Okay students, now question number 7.4.3. The number of edges of prism is always multiple of 3. Number of edges in a prism is always multiple of 3. Verify the statement using any 3 types of prism. So we see here that prism, in prism, how many edges here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 1 is left. It means it have 15 phases. We see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it have 9 edges, it means multiple of 3. It have 12 edges, it means multiple of 3, means 3 4 ja. It have also 12 edges, it means 3 multiple 4, it means multiple of 3 edges. It have 15 edges, it means 3 multiply 5, it means also multiple of 3. So dear students, you can write the answer of 4.3, such as the prism of rectangular prism, pentagonal prism and hexagonal prism. Okay students, so dear student, I hope you become very well. If any doubt, you can contact with me on my personal number, or direct you can contact me with me, and please solve the practice question number 4. Thank you and have a nice day.